Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your oxygen levels. Let's start by understanding that simple daily habits can make a big difference. We'll cover effective breathing techniques, discuss beneficial lifestyle adjustments, and explore environmental factors. Our goal is to help you feel more energetic and support your overall well-being through better oxygen saturation. Let's dive into some effective breathing methods. Pursed-lip breathing involves inhaling slowly through your nose for 2 counts, then exhaling slowly through pursed lips for 4 to 6 counts. This helps to release trapped air. Diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, focuses on using your diaphragm, which is a powerful muscle. Practice these for about 5 to 10 minutes each day. Beyond breathing, your lifestyle and environment play crucial roles. Regular, moderate exercise, like a brisk walk for 30 minutes most days, strengthens your heart and lungs. Ensure your living and working spaces are well ventilated to bring in fresh air. Staying hydrated by drinking 8 glasses of water daily also supports healthy blood flow. Avoiding smoking is paramount for lung health. While these tips are helpful, it's important to know when to seek professional medical advice. If you experience persistent shortness of breath, dizziness, or confusion, please consult a doctor. Bluish discoloration of your lips or fingernails is a sign of very low oxygen and requires immediate medical attention. Regular checkups can help monitor your oxygen levels and overall health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.